Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I'll be reviewing Biling solar motion sensor light. I always wanted to install these in front of my front door and in the rear by the garage. So this has a 202 LED solar security lights with motion sensor, so that's pretty good. And this is a 2-pack. And obviously because it's outdoor, it has a IP65 waterproof. And also it's solar power. You don't need a power source. So it's a solar motion sensor lights. Little instruction, screws. So it's not charged up yet. So it looks like this. That's the front view. This is the top. You can get the better solar light. Let's remove that. Okay, again, solar panel. I'm a big fan of solar power. This is a motion sensor. And that's the power button. That's the side view. So when it's on the wall, with the 3M tape, faces down, and then there's a little bit of an angle so you can get the sunlight. Okay, that's the rear. You're not supposed to open it up, but I'm sure there is a battery pack and stuff. There's the second one. If I decide to drill it on the wall, I'll still put a double-sided tape for extra security. It is ready to go. Okay, so I decided to install it on the front door area. I put it right there. Right here, so when people walk up to my house, this thing should light up. And in my garage area, I decided to install it right there. So when people come to my side yard, the light should turn on. The double-sided tape is really sticky, so if that holds up, if not, I'll drill it up there. Let's wait for it to recharge. So it's been charging all day. Let's see if it recognizes the motion. There you go. Pretty bright. The instruction says that it will turn off within 15 seconds. The light just turned off. Okay, it just turns on. That's good. This is the rear. Let's see if it works. Okay, so it turns on. I have another one right there that turns on slower but brighter. But this is like a warning light. Very good. Anyways, I recommend this product and see you on the next one.